Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss about the copy a dictionary. Okay, see, copy a dictionary means it will take clone from we will clone one dictionary from another dictionary. Okay, let's have a look here. You can't copy a dictionary simply by typing dict1 is equal to dict2 is equal to dict1. Already suppose when we are discussing variables, in variables suppose a is equal to 5. Okay, a is equal to 5. Okay, then I am taking another variable b is equal to a. I am giving means, okay, for an example, when we are discussing variables, suppose a is equal to variable 5, then I am taking another variable a is equal to b. Okay, a is equal to b or b is equal to a. Okay, b is equal to a. At this type of situations, what happen? Okay, whatever value in a, the value will be stored in b also. Okay, but in dictionary, this concept is not possible. Okay, okay, this concept is not possible. That's why here we have a methods for copying a dictionary. Okay, let's have a look. There are ways. Okay, there are ways to make a copy. One way is to use built-in dictionary method is copy. Okay, let's have a look at what is this. Suppose here I am taking, already I have a profile. Here I am taking profile 2. Okay, profile 2 as a variable, profile 2 as a variable in the profile dot copy method. Okay, here I am using copy method. See, here I am printing profile 2. Okay, here I am printing profile 2. What happened? Whatever dictionary in profile 1, that will print as profile 2 like this. Okay, see, in profile 2, profile main profile data, all the main profile data copied in profile 2 variable. Okay, I hope you understand, friends. Okay, let's have a look to next method. Okay, in the next method is also we have another way to make a copy, to use the built-in function, that is dict method. Okay, that is dict method. This is means, this is also same way similar, but at there we are using copy, but here we are using dict. Okay, dict after, okay, dict after, and under the dict we are using profile. Okay, under the dict method we are using profile. See, it will print like this. Okay, I hope you understand. Let's do practice these two methods, copy and dict methods. Okay, it will help to copy one dictionary to another dictionary. Okay, I hope you understand, guys. You please, let's do practice. You can practice properly, you will gain knowledge. Okay, then otherwise there is no use for listening. Okay, I hope you understand. If you understand, please like and subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thank you so much.